improve management of programs for various machines. Operator activates machine configuration to see programs. See part information and graphical highlighting on the Nest. Change Nest Preview to match orientation on the machine bed. Differentiate parts by color based on any field for easy offloading. Color by next operation to help logistics and routing. Record machine times to update schedules and costing. Track multiple machine times simultaneously. View linked job documents. Record actual sheet used for accurate inventory management. Edit remnant information, such as rack location. Mark parts as rejected or scrapped to plan for recutting. Input reject reasons for quality assurance analysis. Update programs to set parts ready for shipping or other operations.